Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Big Brother Naija Pepper Dem edition reunion show. Housemates return with more pepper. The BBNaija 2019 reunion has started, and the Pepper Dem gang housemates have all undoubtedly returned with more pepper even on the first day of the show. The much awaited Big Brother Naija reunion show finally came up yesterday, and the fireworks cannot be ignored. Though the show started on a flashback note, the energy and voltage coming out from the clips can electrocute without much contact. You know what to expect when the usual host of the Big Brother Naija show, Ebuka-Obi Uchendu, shows on the screen. He started the show by going memory lane, that is from when the housemates came on the BBNaija stage for the first time till when they got into the Big Brother's house. It was nice to see the upcoming faces of the now celebrity housemates, remembering how they bragged of going into the house to show the hotness of their pepper, to how they were evicted one after the other was so much fun. The good, the bad and the ugly moment of the 2019 BBNaija show were given another shot on the reunion show, and no one could have forgotten those moments in a hurry. However, the Big Brother Naija 2019 reunion show started with questions about what the housemates expect on the show, since most of them left the BBNaija show without settling the issues they had against themselves. The responses to these questions were not surprising, but they served as an appetizer to what the viewers of the BBNaija 2019 reunion show should wait for. Some of them said they are expecting fire, brimstone, rancor, spilling the beans, fireworks, and hot and electrifying show. Remember, the BBNaija 2019 reunion show would be aired from Monday, June 1 to Friday, June 5, so you cannot afford to miss the vibes. Ebuka did not end with that question, but he also went ahead to ask who they can't wait to face or settle scores with, or to ask some questions they have been dying to ask since they all left the BBNaija house. Now the answer to these particular questions are more interesting than most of the previous ones. For Ike, he said he can't wait to see Joe face to face to ask him some question. Elizonam said his own focus is Diane. For Sheyi, he has been dying to ask Omoshola how he came about the formula he used in exploring the veto power he got on the show. Remember when it was time for Omoshola to use his veto power, he did this popular mini money mode to evict Sheyi, and in the process Sheyi said Omoshola was acting to a Nollywood script. However, Cindy is waiting to ask Kafi and Gedoni some very important questions she cannot just let go for the fun of it. Esther on her part is ready for a showdown for anyone that comes for her, and that seriously sounds like a no-go area for anyone that comes for a free advice. Fraud has also set a trap for whoever that thinks he or she has come for his head during the reunion show. For those who think Kimopran has forgotten that Isilomo called her fake, might just be joking, because she has not forgotten, and that is the one thing she's waiting to confront her with. The viewers who were already getting soaked in tension building up on the show got a sip of some comic relief when the housemates were asked to say what they feel about their co-housemates with their faces without saying a word. Yeah, in this aspect of the show, Venita killed it with her facial expression about when Ebuka asked the housemates if what they think about Kafi. She made a very funny face, and Kafi also did. Jackie also did the same. Jackie waved Kafi away. So though the housemates have not really unleashed the dragons in their individual pockets on the first day of the BBNaija 2019 reunion show, they were seen gorgeously dressed with their face masks. You remember that with the coronavirus pandemic ravaging Nigeria among other countries of the world, and the wearing of face masks has been made mandatory as a precautionary measure against contracting and spreading the deadly virus. Housemates like Joe, Elizonam, Nelson, Diane, Cindy, Isilomo, Tuoyo, Mike, Kafi were not present in the day one of the show, and Ebuka, however, hinted that some of those who could not be on the show today will still be showing up on the show physically soon. And mind you, social distancing rule was also strictly adhered to, so the space between them was not because of enmity or rancor, it was coronavirus fault. While we wait for the show to start with full force today, as we bring more gist like, please stay subscribed to Naija News and Entertainment to get more updates as the BBNaija reunion 2019 show day 2 will kick off today. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. What are your thoughts on the BBNaija reunion show that started yesterday? As fans of the Big Brother Naija reality show are already predicting that the reunion show edition will be majorly about two former housemates, Mercy and Tasha. The relationship between the two ladies is well documented while the show lasted. Not only this, the two of them have continued their rivalry after the show. Though Mercy won the 2019 edition of the Big Brother Naija reality TV show, both Mercy and Tasha have built an online army of followers after the show. Mercy fans are regarded as mercenaries, while Tasha followers are called titans. But apart from these two, some fans and followers of the show also have their own preferred housemates. As organizers of the show have announced, the reunion show will feature all the 2019 housemates has commenced on Monday, June 1. The question on everyone's lips and everyone's hearts remains which housemate will steal the show. Similarly, the questions being asked is which housemate can you not wait to see at the Pepper Dem reunion? So guys, take to the comment section to let me know your thoughts. Let me know the housemates you can't wait to see in the Pepper Dem house, and let me know the housemates you would like to see others fire in the house. Okay guys, in other news, something weird happened in the Big Brother Naija house as the Big Brother Naija took to his Instagram account to announce that something was found in the house. Tasha forgot her underwear in the Big Brother Naija house. Official handle of Big Brother Naija took to Instagram to announce the lost ex-housemate underwear. He wrote, "We found an underwear that belongs to one of the last year's contestants. Please come for it or we'll tag you." Tasha also took to her Twitter account to reply this saying, "It's for me." The self-acclaimed queen of highlights with no shame have proudly claimed her underwear. Anita Natasha Akide, popularly known as Tasha or simply Tasha, is the former housemate of the BBNaija. She's a video blogger and an Instagram influencer who was disqualified on the 89th day of the show after fighting with fellow housemate Mercy in the 2019 Big Brother Naija reality TV show tagged Pepper Dem edition. She was born on 23rd of December 1995 in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, in the southern part of Nigeria. She is currently 23 years old. She refers to herself as the Port Harcourt first daughter. Okay, this is a screenshot of the message posted by the official Big Brother Naija account on Twitter. This is it. And this is a Mercy's reply claiming the underwear. Okay guys, what do you think? What is your thoughts on the matter on ground? Please let us know in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please stay tuned, stay subscribed, and follow us for more gist and updates. Stay tuned to Naija News as we'll be bringing you the day 2 of the BBNaija reunion show. Okay guys, take care.